Hi guys, this is Sarfraz from Aristotle Prep, and we are looking at question number 52 from the OG13 Critical Reasoning chapter. The stimulus says most employees in the computer industry move from company to company, changing jobs several times in their careers. However, Summit Computers is known throughout the industry for retaining its employees. Summit credits its success in retaining employees to its informal, non hierarchical work environment. Very simple argument. While employees keep shifting from one company to the other, they are very loyal when they work for a Summit. And according to Summit, the reason for this is the work environment at Summit. Which of the following, if true, most strongly supports Summit's explanation of its success in retaining employees? So we have to agree with Summit now. A says some people employed in the computer industry change jobs if they become bored with their current projects. That doesn't in any way strengthen Summit's explanation. B says a hierarchical work environment hinders the cooperative exchange of ideas that computer industry employees consider necessary for their work. That looks like a good answer because it gives you a problem with a hierarchical work environment. And Summit says its success is because of its non hierarchical work environment. So B looks like a good answer to me. C says many of Summit's senior employees had previously worked at only one other computer company. Makes no difference how many companies they worked in. D says in a non hierarchical work environment, people avoid behavior that might threaten group harmony and thus avoid discussing with their colleagues any dissatisfaction they might have with their jobs. So he's talking about non-hierarchical environment like Summit has. But you see, the problem is this option says the people are still dissatisfied. It's just that they don't discuss it, which is different from people being very happy and satisfied, which is the case with Summit. So D can't be the answer either. E says the cost of living near Summit is relatively low compared to areas in which some other computer companies are located. This can actually weaken the argument by giving you some other reason, which is the low cost, why people are loyal to Summit and not because of the explanation given by Summit itself. So E can actually weaken the argument. To strengthen the argument, you will have to go with B for Boston because that's the best from the options given to us. On a difficulty scale of 1 to 5, this would be like a 2 or a 2.5 in my opinion. Have a nice day, everyone.